Many people ask me, how do you make money from real estate? Some don't even believe you can, and that it's even a great hoax. But believe me, you can. Hi, this is Andrew. Let me share how we make 4 profits from real estate. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I need to explain that I'm not a certified financial advisor. Neither is my business a certified FCA activity. This video is not advice, legal advice, nor financial advice, but for entertainment purposes only. Yes, this is how we operate our business, but it may not be suitable for you. All investments put your capital at risk. The value of your investments may go up as well as down. Past performance does not guarantee future performance. As always, I implore you to do your own research, DD due diligence, and get your own independent and legal advice. I've seen some real estate investors mention they make 6 profits from real estate. However, we choose these 4. Profit 1. At refinance. To build our project, we need Stage 2 development finance to pay the builders. When it's finished, we refinance with a Stage 3 commercial mortgage from the bank. We say refinance because we swap out our higher interest Stage 2 loan with a lower interest Stage 3 mortgage. After receiving this Stage 3 mortgage, we pay back our Stage 2 development finance. Then we can profit the difference between the Stage 3 commercial mortgage and the Stage 2 development finance. Here's a very simple example. The GDV after completing the building work is 25 million. GDV means gross development value, which means the final value of the completed project. Stage 2 development costs, including finance servicing, is 15 million. Get Stage 3 commercial mortgage at a 70% LTV, loan to value, of our 25 million. This means we can borrow 70% of the value of our finished building. So we receive 17,500,000 from the bank, but need to return 50 million to the Stage 2 development financiers. So finally, we can keep our 2.5 million profit. This is the first profit number 1, refinance, and is the most crucial to exponentially grow your real estate portfolio. See our Ben Maller video to see how the American built a real estate portfolio from 4,000 to 250 million by leveraging this first refinance profit. You can find a link in the description. Profit 2. Net rental income. Once the building is complete, our tenants move in and we collect their rent, pay the commercial mortgage payments, and other monthly and yearly fees. We collect 140,000 per calendar month rent directly from the tenant on a 15-year FRI lease. FRI, that means full repairing and insurance lease. That's great. Commercial tenants do all their own repair work. They don't call us if there's a broken light bulb. They need to fix it for themselves. Yet, we need to pay 75,000 per calendar month to the bank for the interest on their Stage 3 commercial mortgage. Since it's a 15-year FRI lease, we have negligible monthly costs. So we can call that 0. 140,000 received minus 75,000 monthly interest payments to the bank gives us a net rental income of $65,000. The profit 2 is a net rental income of $65,000 every single month. Profit 3. Upsell to your tenants. Since we specialize in larger buildings with many tenants, We could offer them goods and services. Here are 3 examples. Laundromats for our tenants and the community residents. We can also offer a coffee and sandwich shop franchise on the ground floor for both our tenants and the community to buy coffees and sandwiches from us. Gyms are also another good example to upsell to your tenants. In fact, there are so many opportunities, and so we always make sure our projects have a few commercial units for these upsells. Profit 4. Sell out when the market is up. This one is the easiest to understand. We hold and collect rent from our building for the medium term or longer. One day when the market is up and we're given a great offer, we'll sell and share half the profit with our strategic partners and reinvest the rest to exponentially grow our portfolio. Once you understand your strategies and market, real estate can offer you 4 wonderful profits to create a legacy for you and your family. Thanks for the view, and if you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more details on these profits and other areas of real estate investing, check out our other videos. What other profits can you make from real estate? Please share in the comments.